bike lane sort. Let's go. So there's the bike lane, you got the trees, and there's the road. So that's it. So it says, do not approach kangaroos, do not feed them. But when you look there, oh, the people not here. Like, people are approaching the kangaroos and they're feeding them. The place is getting silent now. And coming from me who does not like silent, lonely, I don't know, silent, peaceful places. I want noisy, rad, I don't know. But I'm enjoying this place now. Like, I'm just here riding my board and the weather's good and the place has a good view. So yeah, for now it's perfect for me. I've got to teach Laura how to ride a board now so that she can ride with me. Oh, JM, you can ride with me now. Like, you can get your own board and we just cruise around. This place is so good. I can just see the trees there and like, it is so nice. My board's dancing. It's really, yeah. There's my car. Anyway, this place is so nice here. I'm gonna go on filming. There's even a picnic table there. Awesome. Ooh, there's a picnic table. And yep, I'm just gonna go ahead and still ride. I'm using my left hand to hold this camera, and it's quite heavy. Yeah. And this one here is the river, and I can see all the bugs going to my eyes now. Far out. What's that? Oh. Yeah, and I'm just cruising around, like, going everywhere. This is fun. Oh, look at those houses there. Ah, yeah. So it's enjoyable to ride around. Whoa, big bump. Oh. So I'm enjoying this ride here. Oh, whew, nearly fell. Fuck. Okay, so I'm enjoying this ride here around the lake. And it's just all around Grampians. Like, you can get a bike, you can rent a bike, you can rent an electric bike, or you can just walk around the place here. And that's a nice hotel. What's that? It's nice, a nice place. Yeah. Awesome. Oh, look at me. I'm ashamed. And embarrassed. I don't know. Anyway, some more. So we reached the end of the bike lane. Place is closed. Nice venue. Look at that sun view. Dynamic range. Uh-oh, we have one more bar. I need to go back to the car now. Steep ascent! Definitely not that productive, but I had fun today. Yeah, that's important. And I need to go home now. Fuck, mate, that's one awesome moonshine. Shit! It's so low, but my lens is so wide that